time.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bish Dog Maths. Today we are finding out the midpoint of two coordinates. So we have a Cartesian plane, two coordinates, and we have our new formula. So the midpoint equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2. That'll give you the x coordinate. And there's a comma, because we're not timesing them at the end. It'll just end up with two coordinates, so x-axis coordinate and a y-axis coordinate. So the other one, the comma, and it's y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So that'll give us our two coordinates. So here's a Cartesian plane. Sometimes they'll just give you coordinates and you've got to find the midpoint. This is here just so we can visualize it. I've got a dot here, which is -1 across on the y-axis and 3 up on the y-axis, so -1 on the x-axis and 3 up on the y-axis, and this one here, which is 3 on the x-axis and -1 down on the y-axis. So if you have the formula and you got the coordinates with the number, sometimes you got to find the coordinates. When they give you coordinates, which one do they always give you first?
X.
X, yeah, the first one is always the X, and the second one is the Y. Cool. So, simple as replacing that data with these. Alright, so 1, what is X? Now with X1, we had a comment in the last video, and which one is X1, which one is X2? It doesn't matter, just keep them consistent. For me, I like to always go from the left, and the first one across from the left, as you're reading a book, would be X1, Y1, and the second one would be X2, Y2. So that's what I do. You should do the same. So X1 I've got as -1 plus, what is X2? 3. Yep. So then, what is Y1? Y1, anyone? 3. And what is Y2?
-1.
So yeah, plus, so you're right, plus, and then we're doing a -1. Okay, so bear that in mind when we get to the next stage. So that's how it is. We've replaced that formula with real numbers from our coordinates. Now we just have to work them out. So think about it as on a number line. You're at -1. And then you're adding 3 spots, so which would give you, what's -1 plus 3? So 2, yep. So you're 1 below 0, and then you go 3 above, or 3 the other way, which would get you 2 above. So -1 plus 3 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is?
9.
2 divided by 2?
1.
1, yeah. So first, the x coordinate is going to be 1. Now, similar problem, we're at 3. So we're 3. Now when we plus or minus, what do we end up doing? Minusing, okay? So you're 3 and we're going to take 1. So what's 3 take 1?
2.
2?
So it's 1 again.
And 2 divided by 2 is 1. Alright, so this is your x coordinate and this is your y coordinate. Now, just as a visual demonstration, if I did 1 and 1, that would be about here. Now, as just doing the eye test, does that look about halfway? Yeah. So that's the second check. If it was up here or down there, something's gone wrong. Either maybe stuffed up here, maybe stuffed up there. But yeah, that's how it works. So the key points to remember are the x coordinates are always the first one, and the y coordinates are always the second one. Here's the formula. With any test, I assume they're going to give you the formula, or you'll be able to take a page of notes in, so I wouldn't worry about getting that tattooed on your leg. No need. And just remember adding and minusing. Just figure it out, plus and negative is a negative, and last thing to remember is, you can choose x1, y1, doesn't matter. If we made that x1, y1 and that x2, y2, you'd get the same answer, but it's just a good habit to read it from the left. So that's my ones, that's my twos. So yeah, any questions, ask in the comments, and good luck. Thank you.